So in this video, I'll be answering the question, does your Soundcore AeroFit 2 come with wireless charging? And the simple answer to that is yes, it does. And if you want to confirm it, all you need to do is just ensure that your buds are successfully inside the case and that you've closed it like that. And then from here, you want to grab your wireless charger. Once you've grabbed your wireless charger, all you need to do is to ensure that the wireless charger is connected to a power supply. And then from here, in order for you to charge your Soundcore AeroFit 2 wirelessly, just place the middle of the charging case on top of your wireless charger. So just place it like that. And then you'll notice when you lift up the wireless charger like this, you'll see this LED light blinking. This means that you've successfully started charging your Soundcore AeroFit 2 earbuds. So now you can just go ahead and leave them charging wirelessly and go do whatever it is that you are doing, and then come back and find your earbuds fully charged, as well as the charging case having sufficient charge. Thank you for watching. If you have any more questions that you want answered about the AeroFit 2, then subscribe to our channel and see you in the next one.